According to a new diktat released by the Jama Masjid administration, the entry of single girls or a group of girls is now forbidden inside the historic mosque. The administration has reportedly placed signboards outside the mosque which read, "It is forbidden for girls or women to enter Jama Masjid alone." The signboards have been installed outside each of the mosque's 3 entrances. However, according to the masjid administration, females will be allowed to enter the mosque with their husbands or families. After the order was issued, people took offense and even chastised the administration for its decree, terming it as a fundamentalist mentality. The administration has, however, said that the decision has been taken in order to maintain the sanctity of the mosque, the holy place of worship. Defending the administration's decision, Jama Masjid spokesman Sabiullah said that there are many couples who visit the mosque whose behavior is not according to the religion. Furthermore, the spokesman said that young women and girls come to Jama Masjid to make videos for social media, due to which the worshippers are inconvenienced. Sahid Saeed, spokesperson of the Muslim National Forum, said that the mindset is wrong while criticizing the decision. Saeed said that the place of worship should be open to everyone. Why the second-class treatment of women here? There is no such difference in the religious places of other religions, he added. Meanwhile, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad also condemned the order and termed it as an anti-women act. Additionally, it also urged Women and Child Development Ministry as well as the National Women Commission to intervene in the matter. It should be mentioned here that the historic Jama Masjid was constructed by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan between 1644 to 1656. Aurangzeb, considered as the last effective Mughal ruler, ruled for nearly 49 years until his death in 1707.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.